Oxtail. This is the oxtail. Only a chop jerk, you get the real authentic jerk. And right here, we got the real authentic oxtail. And right here, we got the real authentic rice and peas. Only a chop jerk. Catch a sign. Look, one chop in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And look, we got the jerk chicken right here. We got the oxtail right here. We got everything. Only a chop jerk. #1 jerk man in Montego Bay. Okay? 10 years in business and still going on. We have 30 more years in business, okay? Only a chop jerk, real authentic oxtail, real jerk chicken. Only one chop. Get my sign. And peace out.
Hi, Yolanda from Brooklyn.
Nigel from Brooklyn, New York.
Jerk,
It's only 876 to get the best food.
yes,
The best dishes, rice and peas, jerk chicken, oxtail.
Okay, sweetheart, get oxtail and curry chicken and jerk chicken.
Yeah, Westman with a finger licking jerk chicken, you know. Season to the bone, bro. Yeah, man. That's how it is. Yeah. You know, if you want a good eat a chicken, this is where it's at, yeah. Yeah. You can see.
Not gonna lie, I was here last night. I don't even eat jerk chicken in the US like this. And I was here last night. Right now, this is the best chicken right now. I can't tell it's some taste. I'm not lying.
So where are you from in the States?
Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, man. Alright? Bless up.
Yes, man. Yeah, man, the customers love the chicken, man. From all over, you know. Come to Jamaica, come to Montego Bay, to have some of this jerk chicken, man. Been jerking chicken here for 8 years. Yeah, man. It's a family thing, you know. I have family, grow up and see other family, brothers, bigger brothers. So we just get into it, you know. Yeah, family tradition, you know. Yeah, man. Westman. I'm from Westmoreland, that's where I get the name Westman, you know. Yeah. Yeah, brother. So, yes, man, one love every time, alright? Best chicken ever. Yeah, I'm the goat.
Yo, what's going on? It's a fuzzy jerk chicken. Best chicken in the street now. Anytime you want to find me, just come to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard right just up. Montego Bay. You get the best from West. Check it out. See what I do? Chicken well done, proper, to the island, man. Don't know, I just find Raymond right here, sir. Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. I really like, man. Finger licking, man. A pan turkey, you know, man. But I deal with Kentucky and I deal with pan turkey, original. Only in 876. Yeah, chicken. Boom.
Tonight, my name is Pop Molly. Otherwise, get a soup, girl. I'm here selling my nice soup. This is soup. So whenever customers come and order soup, you know, official get a soup, chicken for chicken neck. When you say that, customers will want to buy the soup. You understand? Yeah. Only in 876 to get the best soup.
The people them say they want quality jerk, so I have to give them quality jerk.
I'm Kamara, the jerk pork girl on the East Strip, and I've been doing jerk pork about 6 months, and I did for to do jerk chicken there, so it's been bringing me in the business here, and I do quality jerk pork.
Alright, good night to you world. I'm in here Frostman, you see it? AKA Hot and Ready. You see what I say? Yeah, I do jerk chicken. I do jerk chicken from about 2009 now, you know? Yeah, man. Original on the strip from down the road to up the road. All both global same, you see it? When you hear about herb and spice, you can check me. Right, so you see it? Yeah man, proper way, you know? You see it? Only in 876 we have the best jerk chicken and the hip strip. You see it? Right there, sir. It's only the best, it's good enough.
Me name Soup Man. Sell soup from 2,000 flat straight back up to 23. Me that, you see that? Ever have a liquid Viagra, then call it conch with red peas, peanut and okra. When you drink that one, the girl them make baby. Show you what I look like. And soup, that one I chicken foot with cow's foot and cow skin. Yeah man, I them that man. I don't know, I done the one day, I done two, cause I don't know how thing said. Sell off thing. You hear that? Liquid Viagra and the girls them thing. Outer road you say. Only in 876, I don't know a thing, you know. We strip the girl them on the 876 strip. You hear that? Alright, outer road.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, where are for the grill? Well, it's off for the grill. We'll head off for the grill. Yolo chops, well hot off for the grill. Hot and popping.
Hot. Hot and bud.
Western champ.
Bud, welcome to Jamaica. Hot and popping jerk chicken on the boulevard, eat strip. I'm going to tell you what I go on with General. You see, out there, sir, and the thing we go on and they go on hot and nice. We deal with the thing long time, you know, and we know how to deal with the thing. So it's when the people them come in from all angles, we just deal with them on a big man level. You see me, I deal with my brother, I mean him Daddy Shanks, hot and popping jerk chicken, coming out from Jamaica, Montego Bay, and the Eat Strip, otherwise known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Hot, but I'm if I tell you, only in 876 you get the best proper jerk chicken, hot, bad, I'm if I tell you. Out there. Tell them right now, you just know someone with there. We not in a joke, we think them proper. Anytime you see the jerk man, we think hotter. We not give a fuck from Spain to down to you will see. Tell them when you know we think gone, you know. Anywhere we go, you know we hot and popping, you know. We not give a fuck where the people them attack, you know. When them right through them have to eat jerk chicken, you know. Tell them say the Rasta rolling on the thing, you know. Tell them say the bingy have the thing alight, you know. Jerk chicken when them come to Jamaica come eat, you know. When them eat Jamaica and them go back and tell, you know. Tell the people 876 hot, you know. We not give a fuck that we think hot, bad out there.